statement na ito ay mula sa ating General Secretary ng National Council of Churches, si Reverend Rex Reyes Jr. na ngayon ay wala kasalukuyan dahil siya ay nasa ibang bansa. Pero bilang isa sa mga Vice Presidents ng National Council of Churches, babasahin ko po sa witness itong statement ng National Council of Churches. Bring stranded OFWs safely home. The National Council of Churches in the Philippines is in solidarity with people in countries undergoing popular uprising to press for reforms in government or oust abusive regimes. Hence, in supplication have turned to cleanse feast as long-suffering people demand human dignity long denied them. Notwithstanding this development, we continue to express concern over the situation of overseas migrant workers in those countries, especially our sisters and brothers from the Philippines. In Libya alone, Migrant International reported 30,000 Filipinos. We grieve with the families who have lost their relatives. We stand with those anxious over their loved ones, uncertain as we all are of their whereabouts and situation. We are glad for those who have arrived safely home. We demand a more resolute and speedy action from our government. A missionary in Libya has informed us that our government response is sluggish. As these popular uprisings escalate to other countries, we urge our government to take necessary proactive measures. Certainly, our compatriots deserve better. Each one of them counts. We reiterate our call for the constituency to be unceasing in our intercession for our Filipino overseas workers. May they be safe and be home if need be. We pray for the faith communities in those places where social upheaval is taking place. May lives of civilians and non-combatants especially be spared. May our partners overseas and the wider ecumenical community be faithful in providing the much-needed support to stranded foreigners, especially our own people. May God's finger of freedom and peace touch the parched lips of all those seeking it. Signed, Reverend Rex Reyes Jr., General Secretary, National Council of Churches.